We freak out when certain people say certain things. It triggers us and we get really freaked out, right? Like the virtual walkthrough is really simple on the simpler projects, a little bit more complex on the bigger projects. And then when we hear words like, is there a super user-friendly, or however they said it, right? We freak out and we get defensive. And we're like, it can't be any simpler than it is. However, because we're adding this, and like we start to get our initial reaction is to defend ourselves, right? Like, let me explain to you why it is. Take a breath, calm down, it's okay. And when somebody goes, is there a super friendly way to walk through this? Be calm, take a breath and go, yeah, when you say super friendly, can you give me a specific example of what you were hoping to see? It's amazing, guys. This works in your personal life too. When you make people give you specific examples, it's a great filter for all the nonsense of like, they just wanted to bully you and shake you around and go, I want to make sure, well, I just wanted to make sure it was easy. It's absolutely easy to use, right? Okay, yeah, there's three extra value, but see, now you're not defending yourself. You're just volleying it over to them. When you say super friendly, can you give me a specific example? Well, I just want to make sure that we don't have to spend a ton of time on the walkthrough. When you say a ton of time, how much time were you thinking? Well, I mean, it needs to be done. Absolutely, we can get it done in 10 minutes, right? It's amazing when they have to define what they're looking for. Most of the time, their wish list is well within the parameters of what you can do, right? Now, if they say, I want it to do this and it has to do circles and backflips and blah, 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 listen, totally get it on the circles and backflips. We do need some information. The information, now you can calmly and collectively walk through the process and how it works. The thing you don't want to do is when somebody throws something out, just get defensive and give them the answer. When you ask them for a specific example, now you're just responding and you're delivering good service, and it doesn't feel like you're trying to cover up a gap in the back. So always, 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 when you say, you know, and I used to try and get this through back when I was in tech. I was in tech software sales where it was multi-million-dollar sales, like document management systems for insurance companies, like a $3 million OCR scanning piece of software. This company was going to spend $3 million bucks. And I had to drag around these solution engineers. And they would be like, oh, how does the new software work? And my solution engineer, it's a famous story, it's on the portal, I think, he just went into like a 30-minute diatribe of how it's 64-bit, now it was 32-bit, now it's 64-bit, well, talked for 30 minutes. They were like, this is way too complicated. We're going to have to get the CIO involved, and we got to know if this is this and that. And it just, the whole deal just fell apart, right? And I was like, Alex, it was because of Sharpie, sword and shield. I'm like, this is the baton. I'm going to hand you the baton when you want to talk. When I want to talk again, I'm going to take the baton from you. They're not going to notice it. I'll buy you Foo Fighters tickets because he loved the drummer. Well, it wasn't the drummer, it was the singer. He was the drummer in Nirvana. It was like his hero. I'm like, I'll buy you Foo Fighters tickets in Atlanta. I knew I only had to buy one ticket because the guy's single forever. He's like, great, yeah, Foo Fighters, I'll do whatever you want. The next company's like, how's the new iteration of software work? I was like, it works great. They're like, okay, we'll upgrade. Right? Another company, how's the new version of the software work? It works great. Well, we had some questions, right, on the upgrade from 32-bit to 64-bit. Totally. When you say you had some questions on the upgrade, can you give me a specific example? Right? Is it compliant with this piece of software? I looked at Alex. Alex goes, yes, it is compliant. And he was about to start saying something else. And I was like, yes, it is compliant. Right? And they're like, okay, awesome, cool. Right? It's like the minute you make people have to explain what they're looking for, they abandon the fight most of the time. If there really was something that they wanted to focus on and you say, can you give me a specific example? Guess what? They give you a specific example. And by them giving you a specific example, even if the answer is not what they were looking for, they're much more likely to collaboratively come up with a solution. Because it's not just them taking a hand grenade and throwing it over to you and going, better be simple, you know? And then when you come up with an answer with that, no matter what you say, it's not going to be good enough for them, right? It's totally simple. Well, I need it to be. When you say you need it to be, can you give me a specific example? Well, we don't want to spend more than 20 minutes on this, right? Totally within the realm of possibility, even 10 minutes. Once we have these 4 things, I'll walk you through the steps. Does that match what you needed? Yeah, it does. Did I miss anything? No, right? Cool, right? And then it's just a much easier way to handle those situations. Unfortunately, in sales, there's certain things that we hear and we go into like sales mode and have to like explain everything. And to the other person, it just seems like we're covering up an inadequacy that was never there before. Because when we talk like that, we seem paranoid. And when they think we're paranoid, they think our stuff's inadequate, which it's not. Hey, my name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world, and I'm going to give you $300 right now to close more deals. Click the link in my bio or here, and I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. I'm covering all the costs for you. You're going to close more deals. You're going to make more money. You're going to have more fun. I'll see you in the closing masterclass.